YOYO. I'm honored to introduce you Fine Maoming Aluminum Factory to you. Fine is a sourcing factory with 20 years of experience in ladder production. We have two factories in Foshan and Maoming, covering an area of 20,000 square meters and employ 200 people. Our ladders are exported to over 30 countries with an annual export over 500,000 pieces. This is our reverted fruit ladders workshop. This is our welded fruit ladders workshop. This is our telescopic ladders workshop. This is our multi-purpose ladder workshop. This is our aluminum ladders workshop. Today, I will focus on introducing our fruit ladders workshop. Our fruit ladder workshop has a total of 15 production lines, including 5 production lines in Foshan and 10 production lines in Maoming. Now, we can produce up to 300 pieces every day and 9,000 pieces every month, which can meet various customized needs of customers. Our fruit ladder is very popular in the South American market, with the most popular size is 2.4 meter. Our fruit ladder's aluminum thickness is 2 mm. Our 2.4 meter fruit ladder, the weight is 10.5 kilograms. And the ladder's max loading is more than 400 kilograms. Our regular size of 2.4 and 3 meters are in stock. Once the customers confirm the order, we can ship it within 7 days. Now, we are the largest fruit ladders factory in China. It's also the largest fruit ladder supplier in South American countries, and its quality has received consistent pressure from South American customers.
Hola, buenos días. Mire, les muestro esta escala. Las compré en China. Me la vendió YOYO, una excelente persona. Mire, la gente se acomoda, se engancha, tiene unos enganches espectaculares. Se engancha al otro lado para que la gente no tenga problemas.
If you are also interested in our fruit ladder, we can provide you with one-stop service in fruit ladders. We're looking forward to working with you. Please add the following contact information to get in touch with me.